let's do like the refactoring first,
Yeah.
because that's the easiest part.
Yeah, I think that our plan today should be first set part refactoring and second part trying to add music.
Yeah, pretty much, yes. Well, also maybe looking into how to add like you know, other like pictures and stuff like that.
Yeah.
This actually might be easier than you just saying. Okay, so Letris, and yeah, let me also launch it just to see if
I'm
everything
not gonna be
works
able to see the
properly.
game, by the way, because you're only sharing Emacs.
Yeah. That's right. Let me change that. Like um, how do I? Oh yeah, here, change windows. So entire screen, and yeah. Do you see now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Anyway, let me see what I said. Oh yeah.
Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to do is to go to handle input in logic.lisp and change the list thing that I did.
Oh yeah, right. This is wait. This is it logic?
Yeah.
Yeah. So right, this I remember this. So here, here's the thing. This like the whole partial application thing
Yeah.
is literally achieved by this function returning a lambda,
Yeah.
and that's it. It has nothing to do with the whole quote
No,
unquote
no,
thing.
but that part I got, but I don't know how to do it like line 2. Oh man, it's kind of hard to read in the
In
line, but the
fact,
space one,
it
the space
is
one.
yeah. This and this.
Yeah.
So, in fact, let me even like we don't use well, we use macros, but we don't write our own macros in this game, and well, because we don't need to. It's more like a game than some library thing.
Mhm.
So we don't need this at all. We can
Are you sure?
yes, yeah, sure. I don't know what I was thinking, but we can just do this. I mean, I'm gonna check if it works afterwards, of course. So here you can just like do that.
You need to remove parentheses, no?
I
I
did.
No, but do you remove the closing ones, or do
I
we
removed
have?
for me automatically.
Oh, okay. You're using the extension.
Yeah.
I
So
remember that this wouldn't work without doing the backtick and the commas, but
well,
okay.
let's see. I mean, it should. Okay. So insta place and swap rotate. I need to go swap store. Yes. So this is just a board,
Yeah.
not
You can
and
remove the let basically.
uh right, and that's it, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Not yeah, and
And the other one is insta place. You do the
yeah,
same.
and the other one is insta place, which is even
Just remove the car
easier.
there.
Yeah, and like this.
I have my doubts about this.
No, it should be fine. Like,
Don't,
what do I
don't,
need?
no, don't. Did you redid the? Oh,
Let me just reload it.
okay.
This is easier. Uh, how do I swap? What is the button?
Swap is W.
Uh,
Yeah, but you have saved the same piece, so you have a thing there. Just put this piece down,
okay.
and now do W again. Yeah, you
Oh,
see? Okay, so you are
okay.
right. We don't need that.
Yeah, sure. How do I rotate?
Q and E.
Oh, okay.
I added the two
Got it.
rotations now. So rotate left and rotate right. Q is rotate
Mm-hmm.
left, and E is rotate right.
Okay.
That's it.
Gotta get used to new controls. Yeah, so that's it. Because those things are not like I don't know what exactly was my thinking when I proposed them, but now it's better.
Oh yeah, definitely better.
This it just makes more sense.
Okay, but I want also to do the thing that you said about having a board with number 8, and then we don't have to do draw border.
Yeah, sure. Let me check one thing, which is okay. That's fine. Okay, so another one is it's in the where in the draw. Yeah,
Yeah.
here. Yeah, so we don't need this
Yeah.
at all,
Yeah, then you need to change the
and
line that we are calling that. So line 70, no, line 25.
we need to do that. And yeah, this is just not
New board.
required,
This is
right?
just new board.
Oh, just I need to return it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so now since I don't really remember everything, let me just kind of scan through all of this and see if something can be improved.
Sure.
Like this is well, this is like the actions and stuff. So no, that's fine. Okay, let me go over like the logic. I think I remember seeing something with the logic, and
Sure.
I was like, uh, so we do that. Well, this setf can be like, nah, it's fine. Oh, one small nitpick.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
Not a big thing, but yeah,
No, 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 but this is more, it's better to read now, you see?
yeah. Also, this again, like not a big thing, but let's do the
Then
not
you pass a
okay.
list? Is that how it works?
Yeah. Let's do find. Just
Ah, like that.
and I'll just do the
Pretty
bottom
nice.
collision board, and this way you don't have to write equals all over the place. Okay, there were like a few things. So yeah, these are all
Oh, there was a
easy.
thing, spawn random piece, you see that?
Yeah.
So before we were only doing 0 to 5, okay? So that was why we never saw orange piece, because the orange piece is number 6. So
Oh. Okay. Well,
now it is correct.
yes, these are like oh yeah. Also, this line definitely not required anymore.
What was the line, sorry?
It's the debug thing.
Oh, okay.
We were debugging that function at some point, but like, okay, wait, uh, sorry, I need to just quit my Telegram. Let me think. Uh, nah, it's fine. This is fine. The there was something else. I can.
Maybe you
I
typed that on Discord? Maybe?
maybe I did. Wait, how is that logic? But also, oh yeah, here.
Okay.
So the handle state does like so this function I don't really remember like all the details of what it's doing, but
Sure.
basically the way this works right now is that it checks for the collision state being one of these,
Yeah.
then it calls handle next round board,
Yeah.
and then it calls this.
Yeah.
Is this how it's intended?
Yeah, I can explain why.
So basically handle next round board can change collision state to idle.
It can't. It's impossible.
Okay, in that case, if this runs, this will never run.
Yes.
Okay, so we don't need the whole when thing. We need just like a case, and then collision. What was it? State, and then we go like if it's bottom. Well, let me just copy this. If it's bottom collision or board collision,
Yeah.
we do this.
Oh, okay. So that's how you do alternatives. You just do in parentheses and stuff.
Yeah. If it's idle, you do this.
Yeah.
And now we don't need any of this.
Okay. Cool.
So, hmm. Okay, let's see what else. I don't remember everything, but oh, uh, oh yeah, no, never mind. This is fine.
Oh wait, I need actually to tell you what I changed this handler that the mouse is on top of.
But this one?
Yeah. So I don't
Oh,
remember how or why we didn't catch this before when we were talking on Tuesday about it. But the system to do the speeding up based on the level that was not working correctly when I was demonstrating to Mageta.
okay.
And I fixed it, and the way that I fixed it is a little bit like probably there's a better way. So let me tell you how I did it, right? Okay, so go to utus.lisp, utu.lisp. Yeah. Okay, so do you see the function calculate delay there, right?
Yeah.
So if we have level 10, 15, 20, 30, and 40, we do a modification on the delay, right?
No.
No. What do you mean?
Well, this. How do we like? We don't modify the delay.
No, no.
This is
What I
just
mean,
minus.
yeah, but this is gonna be the new delay, right? The name of the function is calculate delay, right?
Yeah, but the base delay is never gonna change.
No, the base delay is never gonna change, but I'm talking about returning the new the next delay, right?
Also, since that is the case.
Okay. So I noticed that the way that we were doing before, which I don't even remember how it was, that was not handling correctly when the levels are not one of those, right?
Yeah, right. It would just fall through.
No, it was actually complaining. It was saying like, oh, the case is trying to match one, but there's no catch for those. Please, and then it was throwing an exception basically.
Okay, which is oh maybe because you had e case.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Okay.
But then I decided to pick. There's an extra parameter in this function called delay, and this is the previous delay, okay?
Oh, okay.
So
So
in
you
the
just return it like
exactly, yeah,
otherwise.
exactly.
Okay.
So but because of that, now we can go back to the file that you were before.
Okay.
Now, but because of that, right? Because I needed to save that information, right? Because the delay itself, we are doing a deck F on it, right?
Right.
And because we're gonna be looping over this handler until the delay is equal to 0,
Mm-hmm.
I was having problems saving what was the delay that that I calculated. So I added
Oh,
a new
so you,
slot
oh yeah, right.
to
But
save it.
let me think. But um, isn't it always the delay that was just there before?
Yeah, but how do we know what was the one that it was there?
Well, somehow, like the delay slot is here. So can't you just pass the delay in here?
No, I tried that, and we can try to do that right now. But when I tried, it was like the pieces were falling immediately, very, very fast. when I try doing without adding an extra slot to save the previous one. I think it is because the delay is being decremented every time. But you can try doing the way that you said to see what is gonna happen. Okay,
Yeah,
let's do that.
sure. I'm gonna like, yeah.
Put delay there, and
Yeah, so,
yeah, and
yeah,
just
okay.
try the game.
Okay.
See?
Right.
That's exactly what I was talking about.
Um,
And my suspicion, because I added a print to print the delay, my suspicion is that the delay is being decremented. So it will only go to this when the delay is 0. It will only go to this program when the delay is 0. And then the next round, the delay is 0. So it will not do the deck F. So it will be instantaneous, basically.
oh, oh, wait. Wait.
Sure.
So, uh,
Do you agree that this program will only execute when delay is 0?
yeah, I'm just thinking like, okay, so here's what I think. There is a delay which is about like how fast pieces are falling,
Yeah.
because that's what we called it.
Yeah.
But also there is like a, a, a parameter or whatever. Ah, wait. Oh, right. No, they are the same. They are, of course, the same. The whole, right. I thought that we mixed up two things, but they're not two things. They're one thing. But, okay, so yeah, it's decremented in here.
Yeah.
Why is this condition like this, though?
Because
Oh, right. No.
you got
You're
it, I
right.
think.
Yeah, because like we're counting it, like it constantly changes
Yeah.
because we're doing the right. Uh,
So the program will only execute when the delay is 0, and then we are setting the delay to be 0 for the next round. And then when the next...
yeah.
So it's going to be
Yeah,
instantaneous as we saw.
so this is where my confusion comes from. Like there is like um, a delay that we use to determine like the pauses between the loops,
Yes?
and then there is a delay that is determined to like, and we
Vary
do
according to
something
the
that,
level.
yeah.
Yeah,
These are like slightly different.
exactly.
Yeah, so we need another slot. Okay, we do need another slot.
Maybe the name is bad, so maybe we can think about a better name, but I agree with you that we need at least two. Because one of them will be static, it will be only a value, and the other one will be the one that we're going to be mutating to do the slowliness of it.
Yeah. Okay, okay, let's see what else is there. I mean, no, that's fine. This is also like fine, and this is fine. Okay, let's check the pieces real quick because, yeah, one second though. Need form. How do? Ah, never mind. Okay, let's check the pieces real quick. The coding styles are like slightly different in different parts of code depending on when you write it. But I mean, that's okay, I guess.
No, if it's not a lot of effort to make that not the case, let's do it.
Well, it's kind of some effort because, for example, like here in this dev class, you see that I define accessors for all the slots,
Yeah.
and I use those to, I mean, access the slots.
Yeah.
here and everywhere else. Like I don't even know where. But in the more like recent code, we didn't do that. We just did the with slots thing because the accessors aren't really necessary unless you want to do like something fancy with them, which
No,
we
no, no,
don't.
but there's a difference there. The ones that we are doing with slots are not classes, are shader entities. Or shader
No,
entity is
no,
just a
the
macro.
accessors. No, that's fine. Yeah, this is just like this is also a class, just with a different meta class, and that's it.
Ah.
So, yeah, like here we do the accessors, there we do with slots, but I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just something. Okay, let me check the util. So yeah, this functions. I don't like it, but I don't know how to
I know
make
how.
it better
I know how.
because this is just like a bunch of magic numbers.
No, that's what we can do. We can just do a bunch of def constants with the names of the colors, with the and just abstract out the magic numbers. You see what I mean?
Uh, hmm.
So
Well,
for
we can do it
instance,
for these for one for like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8. But with these, well, we can do like this will not work in def constant because def constant is stupid. We can do def parameter, which is, I mean, fine. But I mean, let's think about it a little bit later. I want to just check the rest.
okay, sure. There are
Uh,
some functions here that we never use, but I don't know if we should get rid of it.
oh, print board.
Yeah, print board, display, print piece. These are like debugging functions, right?
Oh yeah, but they were for when we had like only a REPL representation.
Yeah, but I think that let's keep it because we never know when we're gonna have to debug again. So
Right. Yeah. So right. So there is no point even looking at those.
yeah.
Um. Hmm. Okay. So this we don't need.
We don't need that. Yeah,
Um.
we don't need that comment there as well. After you reach a certain amount of score, just remove that.
Okay. Yeah. Um. Okay. So the main stuff is in the like in the logic and drawing and
And main.lisp.
well, yeah. Let me also go and check there. Uh, well, this is fine, except for maybe a slightly weird thing about you doing if not and then this otherwise this instead of doing if and then this otherwise this.
Sure, we can swap those.
Yeah, let's do that. So um, there.
Sure.
uh, okay. Yeah, I'm what is in the assets? In the assets everything's fine.
No, 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 we
Yes.
don't.
So
I think we can eliminate the folder assets. What is in there?
oh wait. Oh, right. Like we don't. Yeah, you're right because the actual assets are here.
Yeah, because
Uh,
well, that's the default, right? A data folder.
yeah, and it's not like we can change that, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get
Goodbye
rid of that.
assets.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let me check the draw real quick because I thought there was something else. Like no, this is okay, and I mean, sure, this is also okay. I mean, this I guess. Uh, This is much better now, by the way.
That is much better indeed.
Okay, well, we probably don't need this.
I also don't think we need that anymore.
Yeah. So let's get rid of it. And like, looks like we're good to go with the rest. Well, we also don't need this for sure.
Yeah.
This function is big. Wait, how's... Okay, let me change the indentation slightly like that.
Yeah.
And also do like thing.
No. It's not a when there, actually. Wait, does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. This is inside the then branch. Doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's
I got confused for a second there.
okay. The rest, I mean, yeah, I don't see anything. Like this is good. This is definitely good. The glue piece on board is, well, it's an ancient function, but
Oh yeah, this is very ancient. We did that very long ago.
yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. Well, yeah, yeah, that's it. Well, let's get to what I call the second part. Just give me like a minute.
Sure. So refactoring's complete. We should commit, by the way.
Okay, I'm back.
Cool. You should commit this. Well, we actually should save all the files, restart the Sly, and then test if the game is still working. And then we commit.
Well, I mean, let's do that.
Something that we should start to think about is reproducibility, right? I want to use Mageta as the test case. Like, let's try to think on the minimal amount of stuff that we need to keep in mind in order to someone to be able to execute the game.
Not sure what you mean.
Yeah, because right now only you and me can execute this, right? There
Oh yeah,
are
but
essentially no instructions on how to do it.
well, yeah, but I mean, we don't want people to like install Lisp or something for that. we want to have like an executable or whatever. I
Oh,
think.
but how are we gonna make the? Are we gonna include like the static dependencies inside and just like GG?
Um,
Like OpenGL, how are we gonna like the person needs to have OpenGL installed as far as I know,
um,
or no?
not sure actually. I'm not I'm not really good at this, but does that mean that like um in the on every machine that anybody wants to play any game built on OpenGL, you need to have OpenGL?
I think that's what Steam does. I think
What it does? Like it
it
installs
installs
OpenGL?
dependencies that your game requires, and probably OpenGL goes in there.
Mm.
I may be wrong though.
Well, yeah. So, hmm,
Yeah, but that's like I said, this is only something that we should start to think about. That's not
right.
a big deal now, but because we are approaching the final section of this milestone, I want to be able to share this with people.
Yeah. I mean, I agree. I'm thinking because there are like a few issues with this whole executable thing. One of them being that what as like SBCL, uh, it does like it does a stupid thing when it builds an executable. I think maybe I even talked about it at some point, which
Mm.
is it it doesn't really build much. It kind of just takes the whole like image that is running and compresses it into like a small thing with whole SBCL inside as well. And then when you launch that, what it does, it kind of just runs SBCL inside and then like loads the image and then runs the function you provided. And while this, yeah, I mean this because it's very easy to do this. By the way,
Yeah.
this, yeah, like this is the easiest thing. Instead of having like what I don't know what C++ or Rust does when they have like they have a lot of things. They have like a whole complicated system to build. This what I described is really easy to do, and I mean in the Lisp community there wasn't not like a big demand for anything else. This
Mhm.
kind of makes all of your binary files to be bigger
Yeah.
and like by a static 15 megabytes or so.
Oh yeah.
So if you do like a hello world in Common-Lisp and do like an executable this way, you will have a 15 megabyte hello world. And
Yeah.
yeah, but for our game, it's not a big deal because of course, like nobody is gonna be bothered by a 15 megabyte game. It's fine. The bigger problem, however, is that while doing this whole thing, SBCL dynamically links libc
Mhm.
because it uses it a little bit for its garbage collection and I think for uh, some parts of the allocator. And again, the reason it does that is because it's easier to link something dynamically rather than statically. However, what this means is that if I build this on my machine and then give it to you, and you have a different version of libc, it will break. It, it will not necessarily break, but there's like a good chance
Yeah,
that
yeah,
it
yeah. But
will.
that we can solve because we can put all of those versioning hell things inside a Nix file and it's done.
Okay.
Doesn't matter
Well,
which version of libc you have installed natively. The Nix shell one will overwritten for that shell specifically. Will override it.
wait, but does that only work like on Nixos, or will it
No, that
then
works in any computer that has Nix installed.
it has Nix installed?
Yeah.
But what about those that don't have Nix installed?
No, but that's the thing. We need to think on one approach to make something reproducible. Some people like to use Docker images, for instance, right?
Yeah. So what I was thinking is that, like, well, the guy who's the author of this library, he somehow like he's selling his game on Steam.
Yeah, for $40 in
So
Brazil.
yeah, so he somehow like did this thing, and I know of only one option, and I'm pretty sure he didn't use that. Although, okay, like, I'm kind of sure, but not totally sure. Which is, well, there is a separate project by a famous guy in the Lisp community called SBCL Librarian, which is fully devoted to having like a fork of SBCL that links libc statically, because this is a big problem. It
Yeah.
doesn't really link anything else dynamically, but libc does. And so there is this SBCL librarian, and I know that it kind of works, but it has some issues. I don't know which issue. I never used it. I just remember people discussing it and being like, you kind of have to work around this and that. Maybe it had some issues on Windows or on Mac. I don't remember.
Yeah, but that's what I'm talking about. We need to establish an approach to make something reproducible. We have Docker images and we have nicks, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then if we didn't have all these problems that you talked about with SBCL, we could just do an executable with SBCL, but that seems like a problem, right?
Yeah, so what I want to do is I want to like discover via my proxy friend how the
Sure,
Chimera did the how did he manage to sell Candria
sure,
and everything,
sure.
because he even has his own library dedicated to deploying, and it's called
Yeah, he
deploy.
has multiple libraries.
Yeah, he has quite a lot, and I'm pretty sure he used deploy. I never used it. I used a different thing, but
Yeah.
maybe somehow it kind of can solve this issue.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's what I think about this.
Yeah. Anyway, let's push the code with the refactoring.
Yeah, let's see, like status. Where is it here? Okay, so this is all fine, and then we commit. Yeah, clean up plus refactoring,
Yep. And now we're gonna
and
go to the unknown section, which is the
I can.
section. Okay.
Oh, I don't have to push. I don't have to push.
Yeah, I don't have to push it right now.
Yeah.
So there's a
So
file called sound.lisp.
okay. So you wanna start with sound?
Yeah, that's the only remaining thing aside from drawing images and whatever. So I grabbed this piece of code from Candria itself, and then I changed it based on the like I read it. It was with Candria stuff, but I just changed with the names of our own stuff.
Right.
Which by the way is not .mp3. Can you change that to .ogg?
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay, so the thing that I don't know that we need to do, you go to the ASD file,
Uh-huh.
uncomment the sound, and try to restart Sly, and let's go to the error that I got.
Oh, it has the tabs, man.
It has the tabs, yeah.
Yeah. Also, this is why the like. Can I like can I untabify this, and then it will be okay? It kinda is okay, and then I just do that. And yeah. Well, wait, but I mean, this is not. Oh, you added the trial harmony in
Yeah,
there, right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
But that should break according to what I had in my yeah this. No,
Okay.
that's not it actually. Oh no, it is there. Read package trial harmony does not exist. That's where I stopped.
Uh, uh-huh. Well, first things first is well, let's think. No, let's not think. Let's go to Chimera
I really
Harmony.
recommend opening the source code of Candria.
Yeah, this is. I'm gonna do this as well, but yeah. Oh, that's what I thought. So it's not how it's named. So I think I don't even have to do this. You just have to like do this, then go to. Well, I want to go to sound because I want to check something. Uh-huh. And then I go to package, and I do trial harmony, and then this.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this should be enough.
So we are basically adding an alias. Is that what we're doing here?
Yeah, I think, yeah, okay, let's see.
Okay.
Symbol sound not found.
Mm. Okay, so actually what we should do, we should see the package.lisp in Candria to see what the nickname trial harmony means.
Right. Well, can the
GitHub.
git,
There, and then you click dot. Oh no, you can just look at in here. We're just gonna go to package.
yeah.
But later on, we should open the Visual Studio Code browser thing.
Okay, so this is gonna be huge.
Okay, so do a Control F on trial.
Right.
10,
Mm-hmm.
okay, 10 occurrences.
Yeah.
There,
So
it is there, down there, line 61. Is this the one that we are using there?
not
Yeah,
not exactly, no.
not
We need this
exactly.
one. Yeah, it's different.
Oh, it is different. Ah,
Well,
good catch.
I mean, sure, let's package harmony doesn't exist.
Oh, there's another alias then. Let's search on in here.
Yeah.
Harmony.
Yeah, let's search
It
for
is not sorted.
harmony.
That bothers me. Yeah, it is in there.
Yeah, okay, well, let's add this as well. Yeah, it's not sorted because, I mean, I guess he didn't just bother. Since there are no other mentions of harmony, wait,
Yeah, I need to
maybe,
restart.
well, not necessarily because, right, so this
No
is
pool with
still,
name music.
yeah, but this is like,
Oh yeah, so this is because we need to do a define pool whatever somewhere.
yeah, something like that. Let's see.
We did it in draw though.
Yes, so, yeah, and we can just use that pool. I'm
I
pretty
think it's
sure, like,
Letris assets, the name of the pool.
let's check.
Yeah, Letris
Yeah,
assets.
yeah. Well, I mean, is there anything else? No.
And by the way, I don't know if this is gonna work at all. I just like I said, I just copy paste some code in Candria in here.
Yeah. But
The
I
macro,
mean,
for instance, is completely their thing. Did you save this?
yes, I did.
And it is
Oh, wait, but like, is it not?
what is style set on line 5 there? You
Well,
see that
this
we
is
have Letris asset style set. You see that?
yeah.
Probably we need to.
Yeah, this is the name of the asset, the tile set that is. This is like, this is a pool and this is the
Yes.
name. This is the type and then this is the file.
Yeah.
So, um, wait, this is like kind of weird. Let me see there again on a clean run.
Which function is throwing this in?
Letris rush, input Letris rush. This one. Oh, here.
Oh, the macro.
Well, yeah, he hard coded the name because I mean he probably has like one pool for music. So
Yeah. We
okay,
are cavemans.
now
We don't separate other assets with assets.
yeah, see
Wow, that
it's
worked.
yeah. I mean,
No, but that's not it. I don't think that's gonna make any
yeah,
difference.
it's just defining the
Yeah,
assets,
yeah, 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 yeah.
not like enabling them
Now,
anywhere.
now we go to Candria, and then we go. You press dot to open the browser editor, and then we search for sound again, as I did.
Okay, so is it
Dot.
just the dot?
Yeah. Then you go
Mm,
to search, and then you type sound. That's how I found that piece of code.
were there like other pieces?
Yeah, there are a bunch of things with sound that will match sound.
Okay, is this
Yeah, there.
okay?
Sound.
So
Yep. Now it's gonna search in through all of them. Yeah, the assets.lisp is the one that has the things that we just added there.
but I mean, okay, so this is only like defining them.
Yeah, but we don't know where to use it. That's what we're gonna have to discover now. If you want, instead of doing this way, we can go to documentation and read the 3 paragraphs that he written about sound, if you want.
Well, I mean, let's do this first.
Yeah, it is
This,
there.
um, well, okay. So, okay, so we want to inherit from. We'll take care of initializing and finalize the audio server when the game is started up. Uh,
Oh, maybe that's
uh,
what we want. Harmony column play. If we search for that in Candria, maybe we're gonna find it.
yeah, but it needs to set up the server, so this is also important.
I see.
Yeah, so it like it doesn't look that complicated, but I mean, where is the main class?
The what are you calling the main?
This is
Oh, there.
literally this. Yeah, okay, so it's in the game, right? So my suspicion is that we need harmony. Okay, well, it's a shame that he uses it like this, but I mean, yeah. So we call it, for us, it's just trial harmony. And like my suspicion is that we need to say trial harmony, uh, and then, well, settings main. Oh,
Wow. That seems bad.
no, wait. No, this is Oh, this is fine actually. Because it just said that the trial main is a superclass for, well, this thing.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. Let's continue. So this will take care and do this. Yeah, so we don't need this because we don't want to customize anything.
Yeah.
Well, this might be worth checking out, but let's continue. You define assets, and then this is like horizontal. No, this is advanced. Okay, so, well,
Where do we call that? That's what I don't understand.
well, I can just call it somewhere and see if it works. Then we can figure that out. I mean, like I mean, we. Okay, actually, no. Wait, let me think. It's definitely not in the handler for tick or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like probably in the setup scene.
That would make sense.
Like, where is it even? Okay, I'm lost. Oh yeah, it's no. Oh yeah, it's here. I mean, I'm just gonna call it here. The only part that I don't really like. Wait. Okay. So it's slightly different package. Yeah, right. So you see the difference here? This one is whatever trial harmony. But this is just harmony.
Yeah.
And I thought that, maybe maybe this one still has the thing, but it doesn't have such a function.
I see.
I mean, okay, wait. Wait. That's because I kind of forgot harmony. Okay, so maybe the harmony has it. Okay. Just harmony. Oh, it does. Well, we don't need this. We need like
How does that work?
Letris
Letris,
assets and then the name of the thing.
background
And
rush.
oh, you managed to get your hands on the rush.
Yeah. Well, not, I wouldn't say that I did it properly because theoretically speaking, I should ask the proper author for it. But yes,
Okay, let's even. I mean, let's
I'm gonna be
still.
very impressed if this works.
Would you even able? Would you even be able to hear?
I have no idea. No asset with name background rush on pool Letris assets.
I have.
I have an
No
idea why. I
suspicion.
have an idea
Yeah,
why.
I also have. Let's see. Yeah, you want to put sound like here, No, wait.
Ooh, that's a problem.
No, it's not like okay. So it's not like a big problem, but
No, it
we
is a problem
probably
because the pool is only defining draw, but we want to do sound first, right?
yeah. Well, we don't. Well, we kind of want to like do this first, and then whatever
Yes.
assets. So we need a file called assets, I guess.
Okay, so let's do assets.lisp then.
Yeah, and we can actually move this there.
Yeah, and it kind of bothers me that the setup scene is in draw.lisp.
Um, Yeah, we need to displace it, especially now if it's gonna be handling the sound. It's not
Yeah.
like.
So let's
But I
create
mean,
that.
let's. Okay, so
Assets.lisp. That's kind of cool. We are gradually going to the same design that he did in Candria.
yeah, but I mean, our design of files and stuff was really just very arbitrary. So it's not
Yeah, but we didn't have an
surprising.
assets.lisp, and now we do. And Candria also does it. So we're gradually changing our things. Let's put the
Okay,
setup scene
so
here as well.
no, it wouldn't work because it uses like a bunch of stuff. It uses the classes that we defined, you know.
Does it? Can you go there?
Oh, I mean, it sure does. It uses like the concept of the board with the
Yeah, but
main
this is
default
not in here.
board.
The board is in another file. The board is in game.lisp,
Hmm.
right? Because
So
this
you
is
think
not
we
really
can like,
drawing. That's what I'm talking about.
yeah, it's not the asset either though.
Yeah, you're right. This is also not an asset. How should we call that? Setup.lisp, maybe? What do you think?
Um, there will be like really only one,
Two things,
thing.
the launch and the setup.
Is it? Oh, yeah, you're right. There is two things.
Yeah.
Two things I'm kinda okay with.
I'm also okay
Well,
with. I'm also okay.
yeah, maybe this can also go there
But this is
because
kind of
it's.
related to drawing, right? Because this is related to where we're gonna draw the thing.
Oh, yeah, okay, fair enough. No, okay, yeah, and then we can move this here because this is also
Exactly,
about.
exactly, exactly.
Okay, so let's do the setup, and then do this, and then the
Yeah,
like,
this in the launch. Yes.
yeah.
Oh man, so much better. So this. Oh wait.
Huh?
Make the full board needs to go here as well. Go back.
Is it?
Yeah,
Why?
because make the full board uh, is.
We
No,
can
no.
just.
This can live here. This can live here.
Yeah,
That's
it
fine.
it it
That's
totally
fine.
can, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we also will be needing this, and
Okay.
yeah, and now we need to like.
Go to the SD file and change the
Okay,
order.
so wait, yeah, we don't need sound Lisp anymore.
Yeah, everything's gonna go to assets now.
Okay, and then like, okay, so where do I put this? Okay, it's okay. Where do I put this?
Needs to go after draw, I think.
Yeah, okay. Well, the order here is kind of weird, but I mean, okay,
Yeah.
so as sets.
No, I meant the setup. The setup needs to go
Oh,
after that as
setup.
well. I don't know where assets needs to go though.
Oh, assets actually can go like, it's not. It doesn't really depend on anything.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's
Boy, oh
see.
boy.
Okay,
Ah. I'm so surprised.
okay, let's see. Huh?
And it's done, bud.
Fail to set up sound because there is a type error apparently.
Yeah, there's a type error, but I don't know what that. What that
Uh,
means? It's not of type number. What?
yeah. No, well, nil is not of type number.
Yeah. But why is something expecting the type number there?
Well, it's probably because of this. Wait.
Output channels?
No, I mean sample rate. So, like, I'm not sure exactly what this. I mean, what this class does, but for
Mm-hmm.
some reason, it says this sample rate nil, which I'm guessing is the one that is like here.
Yeah.
So no, wait, the no. Okay, so this is the sample rate. You see?
Mm-hmm.
And then this is the nil. So I don't know which one is the nil in there. Like, is it the latency, the effects, the
Yeah, I have
device?
a feeling that before calling play, we need to call something to do setup of the server.
Well, maybe, but it's not like he said that, you know.
Yeah, but
We
he
can,
doesn't say much on that
right?
documentation. Maybe if we search for play in Candria code, we're gonna find something.
Okay.
Play there.
I wouldn't do this. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, this is Well, this is
Okay, but this is kind of okay. So it seems okay. Can you search for ambience bird fluttering just to see what that is?
I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure that
remove the
it's
quote though.
well, yeah, but this is gonna be just a sound.
Yeah, but I want to see the definition first.
Okay, so uh
Where is the
huh?
definition? There isn't one, apparently. That's weird.
But I mean the certainly there should be like
Okay, so
uh
then, hmm,
unless
unless.
and this is very unlikely, but unless this is a generated name,
Whew!
like you see,
Yeah, but that would be kind of weird. Why would you do that?
well, maybe he has like a lot of small sounds and let's see in here. Like what is it? Flat. Well, it's not in the assets.
You know something else? I tried to find any sound files inside the repo, and the repo doesn't have it. Maybe he's pulling the sounds from another, like a bit bucket or of some sort.
Mm,
So
yeah,
maybe that's why we don't have definitions of those names there because the names are living somewhere else aside with the
right.
media because media would be very heavy to have in a repo, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, but I guess if you have like a lot of it,
Yeah, but this is a full game, so probably there are like 500 sounds or something.
yeah.
Okay, but we still don't know how to make it play. That's a problem.
Mm, yeah, let me see what he asked. Like he said that see this.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check this.
There's not
Uh,
nothing. Oh no, yeah, wait. Remove that.
well,
Still nothing.
yeah, that's because we need to search here, I guess. Uh, because this is the
The harmony repo.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so uh
Remove again the F there.
oh yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so no, this is like documentation package. Oh yeah, there.
Whew! How nice. Oh, there's a sample rate thing there.
Yeah. So like Where is it called? It's called like here. And then what this is called, I'm pretty sure. And it's like it's a shame that it doesn't have. Wait, okay. It doesn't really have go to all references because there is not a LSP here.
Yeah.
But I can just like manually go there.
Yeah.
So huh? Ah. So this function, on the one hand, it's not used anywhere, but is exported. So
Nice.
maybe we're supposed to use it.
Maybe we are supposed to use it, you say.
Uh,
Isn't there any examples that we could use in the README? I remember reading something in the README with examples.
well, this has a README.
Yeah, to start a server. That's it.
Okay, so maybe we just kind of want this, and then I don't know where we.
Setup scene for sure.
Yeah, I mean, probably. I'm gonna like
Like
call it like.
in the
Let,
middle of whatever, inside the let, I don't know. Wait, can you go back to the README before trying this out? I just want to see a thing. Then we can play some stuff back. Yeah, and then he does what we. But there's some tags there, you see? What are those tags? Mixer and music. Does that make a difference?
not sure, but let's just try it.
Same problem.
Same thing. Yeah, it's like exactly the same.
I want to try another thing. Can you go back?
Yeah.
So add those things there. Column mixer and column music, where we are calling play after inside the setup. Maybe this is already has some like default values or something.
Mm, no, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not this because the problem is, well, let's do it, but
You need to restart the whole thing.
I don't think I need. I mean, I can restart just because, but like, I'm pretty sure it's like it's okay like this. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
How does that
mm,
work? We are doing exactly the example in the reading.
no. Wait. Yeah. So what's happening here is that. Mm, wait. I think I know like what's the
Is
problem.
it because the dummy doesn't have the?
Yeah. So first of all, where is like let me
Let me
search
go
for
to
this
draw
and
here.
see. If I go like here and do like remove this, then Yeah. So I kind of think I understand. We're not looking for a proper thing, which is we have this package.
Mm-hmm.
This package. Where the fuck does it come from? It's not in here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's in trial, I guess.
Mm.
This is the only option I can see. It's either in trial or in harmony, and yeah. Okay, let's go here and search. Yeah, it's here, and that means that we might. You see, the problem is that this still uses this function, make simple server.
Mm-hmm.
So it uses like make simple server. It uses it for us. We yeah. It does everything in the initialized instance of the main.
Okay, so we were calling something that we shouldn't call because it's already been called automatically?
Yeah, yeah, it's been called. In fact, I don't think that our function does much because maybe it's kind of, you know. Yeah, so the only problem that I have here is
Oh, he has a tag called dummy. Okay.
yeah, so this is what the error was, this one.
Mm-hmm.
See, like it failed to set up sound and you know.
Yeah.
Um mm, okay, let me no wait. Yeah, this is okay, no, this is fine. This is what it's called, right? Well, so problem is something is not initializing right.
That makes sense.
And what I do in this kind of scenarios is that I stop trusting his thing,
What do you
and
mean?
instead I just do this.
What do you mean I
Wait,
stopped
no,
trusting
no, no,
his
wait,
thing?
no, wait. Not this, of course. I stopped trusting his called huh?
Oh, this is a git github.dev, dude. You need to go back.
Oh no, I don't want to close that.
But what do you mean by you stopped trusting him? In which
He
sense?
has a like I forgot the name, like the pool of these repos. I explained it to you at some point. You know, which uses like which basically defines how what is pulled from where, and maybe it's not properly updated in there. Okay,
Ah, okay. I see what you mean.
okay, let's see.
This is the
No,
same.
still same problem. Yeah, but at least now I have like okay, let me do something else, just because. So I have this. I do git pull. I mean, is it that much? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
No, I mean, you're here, but this thing. Okay. Huh? Oh,
Okay,
wait,
now
no.
now it did.
Okay. Yeah. What was taking
Wait,
so long?
there are examples now. Did we have that before?
Where?
There.
Oh, well, okay. No, we uh, is it is it like a new file or something? I don't know. But this is a Lisp file. This is not like a tutorial. But I mean, still might be worth checking out.
Yeah, there's a lot of pluses in there.
Yeah. Let's see what else. Hmm. The rest are fine. Okay, let's see. Not probably not gonna change much, but I mean, still a good idea to update, I guess, because it's not gonna update automatically now that I'm using my own stuff. Okay, so something has changed, but not this.
And this. Something did change, but not this.
Well, hmm,
That is so weird.
what is that? Like, I understand this is the file, but where is the line? Oh, wait. Ah, yeah. So here, this is the place. It multiplies latency by sample rate.
And sample rate is
And
new.
no. Sample rate is this. I don't know why here it says nil. I mean, I have my guesses, but it's that. But the latency is nil.
Ah. Okay, now the question is how can you change the latency to not be new?
Well, let's see where like um,
Is
in
latency a
simple
parameter?
server. Pretty sure it is. Yes. Wait, but it has default, no?
Isn't that, yeah, 0.01?
Yeah, right. Key. And so
I'm confused.
wait. Okay. No. Wait. Okay. So latency cannot be nil. Maybe this is nil. I mean, just only one like. But no. Wait. No. It says here that this thing is this. You see,
Mm-hmm.
like the 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 sample rate is definitely this thing. So it's the latency. But latency is. I'm also very confused. Just saying. Let me think. How's this a thing? Like, unless he specifically. Okay. Let's see. Take me here. Okay. So, well. Okay. Kind of weird, but okay. Start. Oh, yeah. I want to go to start. So, what is he calling that? Yeah, it's calling it here, and it doesn't pass latency as nil specifically, but I mean, that would be kind of stupid. So, anyway.
Yeah,
So, how is it nil?
I have no idea.
Yeah, how is it how is it even fucking possible? It's literally like it's not even about the class. It's just the parameter.
How do you know that is in the multiplication that is blowing up? How do you know that?
Well, this is how you can press V in the debugger on the line like this. Huh? Wait. Oh wait. Okay. Not okay. Sorry. It took me to a fucking thing. Yeah. So you press it like here,
Yeah.
and it goes. You see this cursor is
Ah,
here.
okay,
It
okay.
goes here.
Ah, okay, so that's how you know. That's very useful. I didn't know that.
Yeah. This is I just learned that like at some point. Not quite recently. So I forgot to tell you. But um, yeah, I'm like completely fucking lost because I've never seen this before. I don't even know how to debug this. It's very unlikely to be a bug in SBCL because kind of like it would either not work on all the key parameters or work on all of them.
Something
So
something that we could do is to check the other games that were made using this library and see if we can understand how they get the sound done. Maybe they have an easier code to read because Cambria has like 500 files or whatever.
no, but I mean this is really
Because maybe we are missing some sort of configuration step.
yeah, but this is not even about configuration. This literally should be like you can see that, for example, mixers is this.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, that's just it's just a local variable. But local variable latency is nil, while here it says that it's you know.
It says it should be 001. I see what you mean.
Okay, let's check something. There.
Latency new.
Yeah. So something is passing latency nil explicitly.
Exactly.
But I mean, if I go here, this just doesn't happen.
Make simple server.
Oh wait! No. I'm I'm wrong because there is apply and then there is server init args main.
Yeah, go to server init args then. Maybe there it is setting.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wait. Go back to the. Go back to the documentation. Isn't there a thing called server init args in the paragraph? Yeah. Maybe we need to put column latency there.
Wait. Where do you see this?
Yeah, there. Server init
Oh.
args.
Yeah. Okay. But I mean,
Maybe we need to configure that ourselves, and the default is just stupid.
well, yeah. But like, let me check. Okay. So. Oh. Oh yeah. Yep. Sort of kind of that. What it does. Yeah. Okay. I see. Man, this is like weird. So So there is a like a setting or something. So this is what it does. It creates a list where it specifies latency being this thing.
Yeah.
And then this thing, it doesn't take like much. It just kind of takes like a path. And then for key in path, it tries to like yeah, it tries to extract some values and then just okay. So if it's not found, it returns nil. This is what it does. So it should be like somewhere in the settings. We should like do the settings ourselves.
Yeah, but can't we just search for the word latency in like Kendra code and see how they are doing that?
Okay, let's do that. Latency.
This is it. Define global settings. Isn't this it?
Well,
The fuck?
no, I mean this is like yeah, this is like a whole bunch of
Yeah, no, but
stuff
we're
that we
gonna only care about the audio one.
yeah yeah.
Yeah, but
Well,
we need to see. Can you search for plus setting plus later? See how this is being used.
it is being used here.
Yeah, no, but that's indirectly. I want to see the beginning of the.
No, it's literally like it's used like here.
Ah, wow.
Yeah.
And that's how you
Well,
use immutability, folks. That's why.
let's do that and put it
Setup. This is completely setup thing.
yeah here and then like um let's do like here.
Let's keep the settings exactly the same for now.
Okay. I mean, now let's like let's reload at this point.
Yeah.
Where's the repo?
But
Oh
wow,
yeah.
if this works, I'm gonna be shocked. Okay, it didn't work immediately.
Yeah, there's an error.
Oh,
No
I
such.
think I know what this error means. So it's saying that there is no such segment Letris asset slash background rush. I think I know where this is happening. Can you go to assets.lisp?
Do I just like not have the files?
No. I think we didn't. We used the wrong name. So go to assets.lisp.
Okay.
So I think we need to use option 1 or option 2 instead of using the tracks that we did there. Because if you take a look on how we did the image, right? How we did the image. Um,
Oh.
wait. Because it said that it doesn't have Letris dash assets slash background music, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Like. Okay. Let me try to comprehend what's happening here. So this is like the environment. Yeah, we're not. Yeah, we're not using this anywhere, and we probably should.
Yeah, I don't know if this is necessary. I just copied from Kendria.
Right.
Okay, can you go
Let's.
back to Kendria and
Yeah,
search
yeah. Let's
for
this for this first.
yeah.
Is it Kendria? Yes,
Yeah.
it is. Yeah. So
Yeah,
yes,
that's why I copied. That's how what I copied there.
and you even. I mean, you.
Define track menu, scare,
Okay,
credits.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so there is this, and then like, I mean, I can like copy this and search for this, I guess.
Sure.
Uh, this work.
Boom. Oh, this is only
Okay, no,
definitions,
wait.
I think.
Yeah, this is definitions. So, uh, nah, this is not it.
Yeah. That doesn't seem like it as well.
Yeah, this is like,
I have no idea what this is.
yeah, this is a German, first of all. Uh, but okay.
Oh, maybe that's how they are handling dialogue.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, this is like Chinese and hmm,
It's Japanese, this.
uh, okay. I sorry, I don't know
No,
actually.
no, no. It
This is
is
probably.
written in on the path. Take a look.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Well,
Yeah, that's no
yes,
problem. That's no problem.
yeah. So,
And then this is the English version.
uh, and yeah, and
Yeah,
this
but
is
it's
like
none of those. Scroll down. Keep scrolling.
no, there is nothing else.
There's nothing
This is it.
else.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure that this thing we don't even like we don't need it.
We don't need it, you say.
Yeah, it's probably
I have no idea. I just copy pasted like blindly.
yeah, I understand. This seems to be like oh, fine. Let me check the setup real quick. Uh, so background rush, and what does it say again?
It says that Letris dash assets slash background
Okay,
rush.
okay, so
It
no
isn't a
such
thing.
segment. So I mean, let me see. Uh, okay, so there's like a segment map or whatever. Okay. Uh, okay, not great because well, this is like somewhere. It's like here's the server and it has this segment map, and then it's being filled at some point somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, wait. Hmm,
Wait,
wait.
wait, wait. Go back there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back. I just wanna see the. Oh, we have the setup. Okay, now wanna see the assets.
Oh no, that's it. That's what I wanted to check. We are using
Yeah,
sound to define our assets.
yeah.
What is quote my project? That's what I don't understand.
The like this is the pool,
Is it?
the name
How
of the
do you
pool.
know that?
Well, I know this because this function. I know this function, the slash slash. It kind of pulls a thing from a pool.
Yeah, but we don't have that in the pool, right? We don't have that.
We have
No, we don't.
here's
We
the
have
pool.
option one and option two in the pool apparently.
No, no, but we also have this because it's a defined track, and defined track is a macro that puts like everything in this pool.
Ah. Okay, so then I have absolutely no idea then.
Yeah, I would like if I were able to somehow like inspect this pool thing. Um, wait, maybe I actually can. Oh, Shit. Uh, is it Letris assets? Like, hmm.
Yeah, it is Letris assets.
Okay, so what does this? What is it actually? What is this thing? Uh, I'm fucking impressed. Okay,
Your reaction was
well,
the best.
uh, huh. Okay, well, what is it called? Letris assets. Okay, okay. Here's the pool assets there, and this exists.
And there's another
The,
thing called music background.
yeah, but this is because of the thing with option one and option two.
Yeah, we can remove that, by the way. I think
We,
it
we, we
seems we
can we
don't need.
can yeah, but like this exists, right?
Yeah, so now I went to see the arrow that we had launching it again.
Yeah. Uh, well, let me. Okay. Like very stupid thing, but I wanna check it. So I don't remember how I did this, but just for the safety. Okay, no, it's fine because it could have been this, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah, you could, but okay, so
Okay, so
no
no
such
such
segment,
segment.
placeholder resource.
Huh. So wait, locals, RRP, true, name, this thing, like so server is this, and here's the segment map. No wait, is it was it segment map?
Can you go back
Yeah,
to
wait. No, see. This is a segment map.
hmm?
Like, let me show it here. So this tries to get the name out of a segment map of the server. And here's what we have in the segment map. We have this table, and it has this,
Yeah?
and only this.
Yeah, I want to try a thing. Can you go back to setup?
Yeah, let me just look at this one sec. Wow, I don't understand the following. How the fuck? So, so the server is okay,
Yeah?
but if you like again, take a look at this table, like the type of the table. It only has like the contents are this. The keys are all keywords. See, effect, master, music. These are all keywords. But what he's searching in the name thing that he's trying to look up in there, it's absolutely it's not
Yeah, I
not
see the problem. I see the problem that you're talking about.
in fact it has like this thing in there.
But before we continue trying to discover the why this is happening, I want to try a thing just for the sake of it. Remove the mixer and music thing there. Remove those.
Yeah, okay.
Try again.
Oh shit.
I wonder if adding those tags changed whatever should not change. No, restart it. Restart it from scratch, just for to be sure.
Okay. I am like have my suspicion,
Mm-hmm.
but you copied that code, so looks like shouldn't be an issue. Yeah,
Nope.
it's the same.
Yeah, the same problem.
So
I don't understand. I think I understood that what you said, and for me it doesn't make any sense.
yeah, so like it's kind of like passing the wrong name or something. But this function, it doesn't really do much. It like what it does is it's this. See?
Yeah.
Oh wait, is it? Okay, okay. Something's gonna change, and I know what. Sure. However, here is the server.
Yeah.
Here is the segment map.
The same thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What what is this? Oh, wait, go back. Then I don't know how to go back fully. Oh, I know. Oh wait, I don't know. What? Shit. Ah, no, I know, of course. Okay, so I know, like, I understand what's happening. This name we're passing in is being passed directly into, like, the thing, into the segment map.
Yeah.
It's not nothing, yeah. And I'm like, here's what happened. I didn't do exactly what it says here, right? Oh wait, did I?
Yeah, you
Maybe I
did,
did.
as far as I know.
Yeah, maybe I did because this is harmony, right?
You need to check the nickname.
Yeah, but like harmony is just. Oh yeah, see, it's not exactly that.
Ah.
And I remember because I assume that maybe it's the same thing, but maybe it's not.
Okay, let's change it. So just remove the dot user.
Yeah, let me no, no, because let me do this. It's kind of it looks stupid, but you know, we can add the thing later. Like if we need this, we can add it. So this goes back, and this goes like okay. So no,
Same thing.
still yeah.
Yeah,
I
but
mean
try
I
to
can.
restart it. Maybe this sort of stuff also requires a full blown.
I am. I'm doubting it because this is unlikely. Yeah.
Very weird, huh?
Yeah. So it still does that.
Yeah.
And there is this server running, which doesn't really. I mean, like, okay. So here is a funny thing. Here's what I can do. What if I just kind of pass in whatever it does have?
Wait. You were
See what
asking
happened?
for the key music? Is that what you're doing there?
Yeah, well, it doesn't play anything.
Doesn't do anything, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't like play music. And I mean, I don't expect it to, but this is the only issue we have.
I have another question for you. Maybe we need to do like because basically what the play is doing is using the key to search into the segment using the segment map thing, right?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Maybe what we need to do is actually to do a set, like we need to set that the tag music is actually this asset or something.
Yeah, but I mean, this sounds kind of important. I would assume that, you know, he would like mention that.
Yeah, no, no,
But
yeah.
what is this play doing? Like, what is the play doing? The um well, harmony voice. Well, fuck me if I know if that's a voice. Is that? Type yep. This. Then trial harmony voice. No. Okay. In that case, this is used.
Who needs documentation if you can read the source code?
Yep. This is, by the way, this is what my team lead at my job likes to say. He literally says that like a lot. He's like, the source code is the best documentation.
Oh boy, what a hot take that is.
And I mean, and I mean, we write in C++ and not just C++, but like somewhat old C++ sometimes. So
Oh boy. Instead of reading a sentence in English, you prefer going through 100 files
I,
in whatever.
I don't prefer.
No, no, no. I'm not
It's
saying you do, but definitely
yeah.
your friend does. So.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay, so what is type of this? Okay, well, yeah, that's not exactly the thing I was looking for. I want to go like I want to see which one is. Is it is it okay? Where does it go? So this is it a segment? Not even a thing. What package is this? Well, whatever.
Whatever.
Like, like tag and is it that? No.
And this is new.
Yeah, it's not that. Okay, but like so it takes the source and then it does that and this thing doesn't error. And it's not this and it's not source. Yeah, and it's not voice. So it must be T, which
Yeah.
is a weird thing to say E type case and then put T. Can't you just put type case and then do otherwise?
What is the type case thing?
E here means that if something falls through, then it's an error.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
nothing ever goes through here because you have a T.
Yeah, but
So
what I want to know the type case.
oh, type case is like a switch over the types. It's like case but over types instead of
Okay.
yeah. So it's okay. So this happens, then ensure segment happens. Source server and the ensure. Well, ensure segment does strange thing, but okay. It goes to segment.
And we know segment will fail.
Will it?
Yeah, we already tested that, no?
Where is the? No wait. What is the thing? Yeah. So I was looking into this. So it is given a source and the server. Sources first. So this is source and this is server. So it goes here. And this has like methods, but this is what we need because this is about the server. Oh yeah, and we know it will fail. How is that ensure segment if it doesn't ensure anything? The name is not great. Just saying, like this is literally trying to retrieve a thing from a segment map. It
Yeah.
doesn't ensure.
Oh boy. How is that ensuring anything? That's the best.
Yeah. Okay. So here, I need to make like a pause. I need to eat, and this is like really important.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes.
Sure.
Let me do this. Okay, I'm back. You here?
Yeah, I'm here.
I have a suspicion about what exactly goes wrong. I don't know how to fix it, but let me explain.
Mm-hmm.
So we go to play, and the part that is interesting to us is, well, this.
Yep.
Okay, so here's the thing. You see how here we are falling into this T case. Take a note about that there is this type here, right?
Mm-hmm.
In the ensure segment, there is also this type, which is kind of weird because it was already handled on the previous level.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah, so this code is not never gonna happen because it's gonna happen here, and it does the same thing. It just returns the thing. So
Yeah.
maybe a refactoring issue. And this is gonna error anyway, and then we're gonna fall into that crap, and this doesn't work as we know
Yeah.
because it just retrieves stuff. Um, However, what we do need, it would seem, is that we would need to like just it really looks to me like we need this case.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure that the voice just should be this class because it has the like the thing, the music and the input, everything. So it should be segment, but for some reason it is not. Like what is it? I was checking it, and yeah, so it's not. Which is why when I go to, well, say Candria, and then to assets, I guess.
Oh, do you think it is in here that we set the voice
Yeah,
thing?
so this is what he said that like we need to use.
But dude, here's the thing. Do you see line 24 there?
Yeah.
Hmm, that's kind of weird. That's
Yeah.
kind of weird. Okay,
Hmm.
so maybe you're right. Maybe we can't pass, like when you're calling play. No, no, but we're calling play there. We're not calling sound to twice. We're calling
Yeah,
only
yeah,
once.
yeah. I was thinking about that while getting food, and I wasn't sure what is here, but it's this. It's what he said that we should use.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that maybe it should be like something related to segment, you know? We can pass in a path name, by the way, but let's not do that right now. Let's try to make this part work.
I think we should do the opposite, dude. Let's try to do the path first, and then if that works, then we go to the harder one.
Yeah, let me just check what is. Oh my god, this is a mix in. I don't even know exactly what a mixin is. Like I know I heard the term, but I'm not good at it, you know.
Yeah.
But this should be like
I really think we should do the file path, dude. Just for the sake
yeah,
of having something working. Because right
okay.
now we are blind and we don't know how to make the segment thing work.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do the like
Then there's the question: is gonna assume it is within data folder?
no. Is it what is it?
It is Tetris Rush. Is that how? Wait, imagine if this works. How awesome would it be?
It works.
It works. Can you hear the music?
Yes.
So it works. Two
Yeah.
hours.
Can you
2 hours it
can you
took.
not hear it?
I can't hear it. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm. Well, it works.
Cool.
It's not exactly. It's not great because like the quality is okay, but like it doesn't really align with the speed.
Oh, no,
So
but that would be that would be like professional.
yeah, I'm just saying like it feels a little bit weird. Not that weird. Oh shit, I'm not good with these controls. Yeah, but anyway, it doesn't exactly align with the speed, and also like because it has like this pause at the start, it feels like something is broken, but it's not.
Okay. Okay, so everything it is one line. Line 31, it is all the difficulty. Well, we don't know if the setting the global settings made a difference. I assume we did. We assume that, right?
Um,
What
no, no,
happens if
no.
you
It
what
was
happens if you
no,
comment that out?
no. It was required. It was like way earlier and about a different issue.
Okay.
So yeah, it was about like creating a server. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So okay, then the question is, do you want to do it properly, like using trying to do it in the segment way, or we establish as done by this, using the file path?
Well, I was. Let me check one other thing. Like the segment, I'm actually not that sure now about because well, I checked it and it has like completely. It has no relation to this. What is it? This sound class. It has no relation to the sound class whatsoever. I just I don't see it. Is it the source? What is source? No, it's still it is inherited from segment and yeah, it is inherited from segment. And the segment like not inherited from anything, but has this mixing thing, which is this class, just a segment. Wait, how is that a segment and that a segment? Well, I guess they're not exactly the same thing, but still kind of weird. But okay. And then there's this, and this is just a standalone class. So yeah, it's not like the well, it can be also a voice. Let me check about voice. Well, it's a mix in what? Oh, mixed chain. Okay. And yeah, and it's back to segment again.
Okay, can you
So
go back to?
I don't see how it can be like related to this thing at all.
No, but that's what I want to check it out. Can you go back to the Kendria code?
Okay.
Search for column sound.
Okay.
Let's see all the things that he used. Oh
Oh
no, but
no,
this
wait,
is
that's
harmony. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Change that to the
Um,
column sound. Let's see. Okay, first one. Okay, so this is inside the macro, and this is the macro that we are using. So
Yeah.
we should be great. We should be okay.
Well, what is OGA like?
Yeah, that is. I thought this would be a file in the repo, but it isn't. There isn't a file with that name.
Yeah, but I mean, is it still like a sound file?
I have no idea. I don't. I'm not a. I don't know much about sound stuff.
Okay, I mean, it probably is, right? It's like, what else can it be?
Yeah, I
Mm,
agree with you in that case.
mm,
Let's keep going. So,
okay, so well,
that's not
this
it.
is
Go on.
well. Mm, okay, yeah.
Also not
No, this
it.
is yeah.
Trigger. No.
Yeah,
No.
this is just methods specializing on that and whatever.
Okay, so it seems what I want to confirm is if he only used the sound function thing on the macro in the macro. That's kind of what I want to confirm.
No, well, it seems.
And this is HTML, so it has nothing
Yeah.
to do with whatever. Yep. Okay, so he only used the sound stuff in the macro.
No. I mean, no. This is still that. He specializes on that class and everything. So, like, he uses that class. Mm, he uses that class. See, like here, he has a slot of type of that class and you know everything. But I kind of want to see the opposite. I want to see a segment. Yeah. So no, this is like okay. No, this is not it. See, like it's not even. It's not used like it's sound thing or anything.
Yeah, that's very hard to tell without the context.
Well, yeah, but I mean, it's not like it has all this. It has like weird things inside, and I really didn't see like in that segment, for example, in that segment thing is a class. There's not even a slot for you know for for a path to a file. Like it's just not here. I mean, hard to tell, but none of these slots really look like a path to a file.
Yeah. Are we looking
So
to in the correct place? Because when you go on it, there is multiple places that it matches, right?
yeah.
No. Go back to Emacs. You
Oh,
press
okay.
something that goes to I think you press like go to definition on segment, right?
Okay.
How do we know which one of these it is?
Well, no, those are like just the methods with the same name. We're looking for a type. In this case, it's a class, and there is only one.
That's how you know. Okay.
Yeah, so it's not that. And okay, let me see. So there's like this case, ignore case if exists. Where is this variable coming from? Right, error. Well, what can I say? Very interesting because doesn't like this is not our case for sure. This we're using right now.
Yeah.
This doesn't seem to be like the case, but this also. So yeah,
No,
I
wait.
don't really know what to say.
I think we are going to the otherwise, and that is returning new. So we are doing a setf of on voice of new, right?
Wait, what?
Yeah, because this e-type case thing is to check the value to do a setf, right?
Yes, but this is not. It's not. This will always trigger because anything is of type T.
Yeah, but I mean when we were doing it before, when we were doing with the slash slash, the way that we are doing before using the file, the path name, right?
Yeah, in that case, it will go here.
Yeah, but this is gonna return new, as we know.
It's not because ensure segment just errors.
Errors.
Yeah, it goes, well, it goes here and it goes here, and then this, which one is this? I think it's this because for server, yeah. This will just literally error.
Ah, no, yeah, you're right, you're right. So it even doesn't like it errors out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we need to contact the author of the thing. Okay, so but I think we are already here for 2 hours, so I think there's one last thing that we can do is just to add the control to mute the music. What do you think?
Uh, yeah. Although, like, I don't know, I don't know how to do this.
I have a question. The play function that we are using there, is that exclusive to the setup or that can be done at any time?
I'm pretty sure it can be done at any time.
Okay, so we do know how to do that.
Well, no,
Yeah, we do.
we don't.
We
Okay,
do.
how?
Okay, so you're gonna go to game.lisp, you're gonna go to the board, and
Okay.
you're gonna add a slot called is music playing or music playing,
Okay,
whatever.
yeah, sure, but tell me what next.
Then, when we are handling the input, and then we're gonna add the M for mute, we're gonna toggle between harmony play and harmony stop, and that's it.
Is there a harmony stop?
Yeah, there is an harmony stop.
Okay, so
Not in here. You need to go to the readme of harmony.
okay, let me just like check if there is a harmony. No, not this. Stop.
And that's it.
Yeah, but where exactly do we want to put play and stop?
We're gonna put the play that we have on the setup, that's gonna continue being there, right?
Okay.
Then we're gonna make a function in the handle input that when you press M, we're gonna have a function called handle music, and the handle music will check the slot in the board that tells us if a music is playing or not, and if it is, it's gonna toggle. If it is or not, right? And that's it.
Okay. I still have my doubts, but let's.
I
right?
want to do a thing before that. So go
Okay.
back and let's define a constant for the path of the music, because maybe you want to use classic, then you just change the parameter in one single place. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right. Yeah, so
So do a def constant and then put
let's
that
do
string.
define. Let's do like the way he does this is define global, and this is actually a good thing. We might do
Sure,
this later.
sure.
So
Plus music path plus.
yeah, like this.
Yeah, and then you put the data slash thing. And then everybody will be using music path. So if you want to change the music, you just go to this line and change
Yeah.
it. Yeah, copy that, put in the play. Then go to game.lisp now.
Oh, because okay.
Put a slot, let's say, is music playing or music status, I don't know.
Music playing
Yeah,
P.
and then init form is gonna be
Is
true.
P? Yeah.
Why you add the dash p there?
It's just like it's a stupid Common-Lisp convention that I don't really like, and I don't think many people like it. But here, this is how the predicates are called.
Okay,
Although wait,
okay.
this is no wait not well. Like the predicate functions are called like this. This is why P like P
Oh,
for
but this is not a
predicate.
function.
Yeah, this is not a function though.
Yeah, this is only like a boolean.
Yes, so maybe this.
Yeah. Then you can go to logic.lisp, and then we're gonna go to handle input. And then in the case, you're gonna add a new one with m,
Okay.
and then we're gonna create a function called handle music, and then you're gonna pass the board. Okay. Then we're gonna create this function now.
Yeah, let's do it. I don't know here.
Yeah. And then you're gonna start with slots. We're gonna grab the music playing thing from it
And nothing else, I guess.
and nothing else. And then we're gonna do an if
Yeah, right.
music playing, we're gonna do then a prog-n, right? Because we're gonna do a setf, setting that to new, and
Uh,
we're gonna do a stop.
so
Setf, music playing to new, and then after that harmony stop, and then music path.
it's kinda, well, I hope it works because it's kinda weird how this is not tied. Like,
Not
how's it?
tied.
Well, yeah. So the way, what I don't understand is that,
Music
like,
play. There.
yeah.
And then you need
So
to go
how
to the
does it?
keymap.lisp and add the m as well.
Yeah. What I'm saying is that how does it know to stop what is playing? It doesn't have anything that is actually playing. It only has the path, you know?
Yeah, that's kind of weird. I agree.
Yeah, I'm not even sure. Like, what does the stop does? It is getting a T. And yeah, see, this is the issue. It wants a fucking segment, man. It doesn't it doesn't work on the path.
But isn't that the second implementation there? Like stop placeholder resource? Isn't that exactly the our case? I thought it would be.
Well, this method doesn't do shit, as you can see.
Oh boy.
Literally doesn't do anything at all.
Let me check for a thing. Well, let's check for a thing. Can you go to the README or of Harmony, please?
Okay. Oh, no, not this, but like the actual thing, right?
Yeah, the actual harmony.
Yeah.
Go to the README.
Well.
There is a thing. Oh yeah, there. The return voice instance can be controlled with
Oh, by the
functions
way,
like
see,
stop.
like this is funny, but here he uses the plane and path.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
We kind of missed that somehow or something.
Yeah, but you see that he uses stop with a star, and a star is using the return of the previous one, right?
Correct.
So, oh, I know why. Because play returns the resource, right?
Well, yes, but
Ooh, okay, then we are fucked.
no, we're not like fucked. We can still like save the resource. It's not a big issue. But I want to see what else is here.
Environments, there's an environment thing as well.
Yeah, this is what. Mm, okay, let's see. I don't know what is music environments. I mean, I also don't know what is horizontal mixing, but just
Neither do I. We can do Alt Z. Press Alt Z.
what?
Alt Z. Meta Z.
Okay,
There it is.
what? What?
There's no
What just
horizontal scrolling anymore.
Oh, okay. That caught me off guard. I was like, mm, mm. I mean, this is straight up wrong. This is like literally. I mean, this is contradicting what he's saying here. And this is even the same package, right? This is word to word the same package, not
FREF harmony.
yeah.
Yeah,
What is
apparently.
also funny, well, it's kind of weird, is that he says in the next sentence that each asset generates exactly one voice instance. So supposedly this must be a voice instance. I mean, it kind of follows, right?
Yeah.
But it isn't.
Okay, but I'm starting to
Like,
think that there's no way to do the stop play toggle thing now.
see, this is not a voice, unless trial harmony system provides assets and resources to encapsulate harmony to input sounds. Use the okay. Here's a thing. Not saying that it's correct or anything. Okay, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna change that. I'm just not gonna press that button.
Wait, wait, wait,
Uh,
wait. You need to add the key map first though,
oh
because you're
yeah,
gonna
right.
forget.
Yeah. Where is it? Oh, it's here.
Just add M there.
Oh yeah, it's not a big deal. Okay.
Yeah. And
If you
that's it.
can,
Now but you need to restart,
no,
unfortunately.
it's that. Okay. Yeah, I will restart.
Every time you change the key map, you need to restart.
Yeah, because it only loads once.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, but before I restart,
Sure.
since I want to do this anyway, I want to go here and here and do something stupid.
And there's another thing that we should discuss, because in Candria he's using trial harmony and harmony, and they are two separate packages, right? Maybe that's
Yes.
why we are getting confused, because there
Well,
are
but they
two
we're
harmony
also using
packages.
we're also using two separate packages.
Yeah, but maybe, well, I don't know. I have no idea.
Wait, so this is not the case.
Can't we go to the definition of the sound class and see if there's uh, like a member that we can say, oh, this is a voice, or this is a whatever.
Well, it's single resource asset, probably not what we want. Okay, no, actually I don't know because like this is seems like a sort of a meta thing, but then this is also kind of not what we care about, and then so maybe this. Well, not much. Well, yeah,
Okay, so we can't tell a sound if it is a voice or it is whatever.
yeah. It's not like see all of the classes I specifically checked all of them. They're not related to the segment thing in any way. Again,
I'm starting to think that the other thing is. Can you go back?
wait. Actually, let me think. I'll go back 1 sec. Oh shit, not this. All of these classes, in fact, are in trial. This is interesting. See, all of these classes are in trial. They are in the harmony folder, which is okay because it's like you know dedicated to harmony or whatever. Let me check the. I'll check it I'll check it even here. Uh, like package. So harmony. Oh, wait. Huh? Is that not here? Is it even okay? Funny question. Harmony. Okay, so this is not even in the dependencies. The harmony thing. It's not in the dependencies at all. This has a lot of dependencies, but harmony is not one of those.
Maybe he re-implemented, like just copy
Yeah.
pasted.
Yeah, well, it's no, he didn't copy paste, that's for sure. But seems like he has some sort of a different thing going on here, which is very weird. Because it's kind of how do I put it? It's kind of expected that the classes from this thing do not really interact with the methods from the harmony because those are there's no dependency here, so they just can't, right? But here he uses this thing, which is from trial, but play he uses for play he uses just harmony.
Yeah, but the sound is from trial.
Yes, the sound is from trial, and the environment is from trial, but the play
But the play
is
is
from
from
harmony.
harmony.
And it doesn't make sense because harmony is not a dependency here, so he could not have uh, like he could not have linked them unless of course the trial is a dependency for harmony, but that's I mean that's unlikely.
Yeah,
And he
very
says that it's
unlikely.
an independent audio server system. Uh, Integration. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna be needing this. And, I'm gonna be needing this, and then I'm gonna do like search here. Okay, and then I'm also gonna do like search here. Okay. So what? How does it make sense to talk about like integration system trial harmony? It's not really a system. It's merely
Like a
it's a,
sub-library, it seems.
yeah, it's like a package and then just some files.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's not integration if it's not like it's not in the settings. So I don't understand.
Yeah, it's a like nomenclature, weird nomenclature, like naming. Oh boy.
Let me just think for like one more minute and then we can move on. That means that right now we won't be able to pause.
Okay. We won't be able to pause because there's no. Yeah, there's no way the stop thing will
No,
work.
well, I mean, okay, that's not true. We can no, we can pause. We can like save it in the board. The instance
The
itself is just
placeholder
created.
resource.
No, what I'm saying is we can save in the board like we can save in the board whatever play returns.
Yeah, this returns the resource.
Yeah.
Okay, but how are we gonna do that in the setup?
Well, quite easily we just
Oh, we already created the board at that moment in the setup.
yeah.
That's why.
Well, we didn't, but we can like change the order. It's not a big deal. Well, here's the make default board. We can just like add stuff like as an argument there or something, you know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I have another idea. Instead of you having the music playing being a boolean, let's do what you said. Let's save whatever the play function returns in that.
Yeah,
And if it's new, that means that we should stop. No, if it is different than new,
yeah,
we should stop.
yeah,
And if
yeah,
it
yeah,
is new, we should do the play.
yeah. Mm,
Okay.
Let me have a look at this because this is gonna like
This is gonna like.
well, I don't remember what he said, where he said that. Mm, yeah, here, the default play method, which is this one, as shown above, will always allocate the necessary object once called and free them once playback is finished. This can involve disk access and other slow operations. I don't think it's an issue for us.
No, it
Mm,
kind of is because if when Lisp people say free them, are you saying that you're gonna set the thing will be new instead of a thing?
no, it's about memory management.
It's about memory management. That's actually another point that I don't know how we're gonna address. I think that the music is not gonna repeat. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, but this is kind of hard to test with the song. Well, not like very hard, but I mean, requires waiting.
Yeah, every guy is waiting.
Mm, he even provides an option here, which is you can use create to allocate your voice, well, with appropriate settings, and then play once desired. But it can be replayed multiple times and whatnot. It must be manually free, which I mean, it's probably because the whole thing is at some point, like at some depth, it becomes like CFFI, and we're getting into C territory here.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to just look at this because this really, like this
Oh no,
piece
that is
of
there.
code.
Usually this is not an issue. You can pass reset to true to play to restart the effect instead.
Well, yeah, but I mean, like this whole part kind of pisses me off because like this is a blatant lie. It
Yeah,
doesn't work like that at all. So I don't know if I trust this part.
we can try it. Let's try.
Well, we can, but like we will have to wait still. And the thing is, it's not here, right? Yeah, it's not. This is not like. Let's see what the arguments are. What?
This is kind of pissed me off.
Okay, so well, okay, so it has an argument repeat,
which is great.
but it's not reset.
Well, don't trust it. Let's trust the Emacs. So let's
Yeah,
put.
I mean, what I'm saying is that this is what I was talking about. Like, this is also a lie. This function literally doesn't have.
Yeah, we are blaming the author for 3 hours.
Well, but I mean, like this part is just bullshit. I mean,
Yeah, I'm not denying
and
that.
and it's not like the guy, the whole guide is kind of recent. It's not like it was 10 years ago, and so everything's changed. I mean, I want to check one thing, which is it really okay? So I trust this thing. Wait. Oh yeah, in package. We need the package.
I trust this and
No, what I mean is like, if this had a play, then sure. The problem is it doesn't really have almost any functions.
yeah.
It's just like environment, main, music, server, init arg, settings, main, sound, voice, and that's it.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think he expects you to create the things via trial harmony, but to control it using harmony. That's kind of what seems to be the case.
Yeah, but since libraries, these both these libraries do not depend on each other, it cannot be possible.
Yeah, I see.
Because
I see what you're saying. Yeah.
how do you make a method specialize on whatever class you have if you don't have it, you know?
Mhm. Kind of weird.
I'm just because before that I was kind of thinking, you know, like one thing is that documentation is poor in terms that it's like not much, but now that it's just like line specifically, it's not even line, it's
Yeah.
like really like a big mistake or whatever, because I don't even know how you can like forget this or something.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Maybe this
Like,
is the older version that he forgot he needs to update. Maybe.
yeah, but this is what I was thinking about. How can this even happen? Because like the you know was Harmony at some point a dependency of trial which he then removed? Why? It's not like he replaced it with anything.
Yeah,
At
yeah,
least,
you can't do the same things without it, yeah.
yeah, it's not like he replaced it with anything big, at least.
Yeah. Well, but anyway,
So
let's try to use the repeat thing that you discovered
yeah,
there. Let's try to finish this because I don't know, I think it's late for you right now.
well, it's kind of late, but I mean, let's see. I can stay up for like another half an hour, I guess.
But let's just try to do the thing that you said. So let's save
Yeah.
whatever the play returns. So put the repeat true here. Repeat true, cool. And then let's do a set. Let's create a. Let's go to the slot that we have on the board. In the board, sorry.
Is it here?
Yeah. So instead of just put music instead of music playing, just put music, and then init form is gonna be new.
Doesn't even have to be in it form, actually.
Yes.
Oh, no, no, okay, no. We kind of want that because.
Yeah, it should be consistent as well. Okay, then you go back to the setup, and after we instantiate on line 29, let's do a setf on that.
Well,
No, you
yeah,
can change
it's
the make default board. We can go to the make
yeah,
default board and put it in there.
yeah.
So grab the line, the harmony play.
It doesn't even have to be like.
Nope.
No, not this. What is it? It can be just. Wait, no. It can be just this.
Music. And then you kept copy paste the play thing.
Yeah, was it harmony play?
Yeah, but just copy paste from the setup.
Right, I forgot the path, so.
Yeah, and then remove this line from here as well. Yeah. Not here. Also not here.
Dude, I can't. I don't know where this function is. Like, so it's in draw.
So great. Cool. Okay. Then yeah, then we need to go now back to the handle music function that we were.
Yeah.
That is logic.
Yeah, it's logic. So
Then we're
yeah,
gonna change the if instead of you're gonna do with slots music instead of music playing. And then you're gonna do a null like if null music.
no, it's okay. Anything is true except for nil. So if music, we just set it to nil, and then, well, we stop that.
Yeah, stop music, and it is not music playing, by the way. Oh, you need to do the opposite. You need to do stop first and then set F for later, by the way.
Oh yeah, right. Because otherwise,
Yeah. And then in the otherwise case, that means that you need to do harmony play, yeah, and then that's also the setf.
yeah. So we just set F music to harmony. Yeah, just that.
And that's it. That should be it.
Yeah, let's reload and try. Oh no, not quit. Restart.
Is it playing?
Yes.
Okay, now press M.
Yeah. So
Did it stop?
yes, it did stop.
No, but the game is done. Hello?
Yeah, game has stopped.
What happened?
Okay, let me start it again.
Wait, dude, your screen for me is frozen.
Yeah, well, it's not frozen, but like the game has stopped, and
The heck is going on?
none of the buttons work.
What was that? The fuck?
Uh,
I'm super confused right now. Um,
if
the game
only
stopped.
I knew. Well, I mean, the music stopped playing and everything, so it kind of looked like it was kind of broken in some way. But I mean, this is what I would expect. But
Wait, how that makes any sense? If you when you ask to mute the music, the game stopped. What do you mean?
well, it's not. I don't think it stopped. More like it broke. I think
Oh,
because it didn't respond to any inputs after that.
okay. Can you add in the first program before we're doing the stop? Can you print the music?
Yeah, like here. Well, we can do it also here. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, but I want in
Uh,
that stop case because this case that you added the print, it's gonna fail before reaching that, right? Because the music is already playing.
well, let's do two prints. So let's do that.
Sure.
Okay. Let me restart for safety
So
because I don't know
confused.
what else. Let's see.
Okay, the game is doing going and stuff.
Yeah,
M.
and then the music is playing. Okay.
Did you press M already?
Nope. I am surprised that this happened. But okay.
What the heck is that?
Okay. I pressed it
Okay.
and it did.
And it's done, apparently.
Well, no.
Wait,
Well, okay.
what?
So,
There is a
so
voice? I'm confused. Didn't we check that this thing is not a voice?
I mean, we did. We did.
What the heck is going on?
It would be cool if it was a voice because then. Wait, no. No, 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 no. Well, yeah. So voice. No, wait. We checked. Which no, we checked that the asset that we created is not a voice.
Okay, so we didn't check that the return of a play is a voice.
Yeah, and I mean, I'm pretty sure it is,
Mm.
and it's fine.
It's
Like,
fine, you say.
yeah. I'm not sure. Okay, so print is kind of like. Okay, let me remove this print because I don't know which print is this.
No, it is the first one. The print that it is there, it is the first one. And I know that
Yeah, yeah,
because if
right.
the
Because
music is already playing, we're gonna go to the
yeah, it
then
will stop.
branch. Yeah.
Yeah. Also, it didn't. It didn't. Okay, so music is playing and everything's fine. And I'm gonna press music now. Okay, it did print it immediately. What is this 1%? Well, okay, I don't know if it's important.
Memory allocated, maybe?
Or maybe like volume.
Yeah.
Although 1% volume sounds kind of scary because it's fine in terms of sound. So this is if this is 1%, we definitely don't want to go over. No, maybe it's like how much of the track did it
No,
play
wow,
already?
it has control over that. That's interesting.
Yeah, but now it just died.
Yeah, now the game is done. Can you try to press R? Wow.
But the music is not playing.
Oh, of
Okay,
course
but
not,
let
because
me.
the init form is new.
Oh yeah, but let me press the M. And the music has started.
Okay, so stopping is a problem.
Okay. But if I press M again, yeah, it died.
I have no idea what this is. No idea at all. Actually, I do have one. Can
Okay,
you
let's no.
scroll up?
Mm,
Can you scroll up, my man?
scroll up where?
Go to handle pause. I just want to see a thing. Okay, so I think I found a bug. Because handle pause, like every single function, can you scroll down a little bit for me to, it is easier to explain.
Mm-hmm.
Move adjustments always returns a state, right?
Mm-hmm.
Handle pause also always return a state. Handle reset doesn't matter because we're gonna use the init forms from the game. Handle music needs to return a state as well, right?
But why? It's only returning it from the handle input. Where is the return of the handle input is used?
The handle input, all the returns of the handle input are all the returns of the case.
Yeah. But what I'm saying is that the handle music returns like whatever, like this. Well, in this case, it returns nil, by
Yeah,
the
but I
way.
think that's the problem. Do me a favor a little bit. In the with slots of the handle music, grab the state and return it after the if.
Like this?
Yeah, we're gonna maintain the previous state because this does not touch state at all.
Okay, so here as well.
Yeah, that's why I thought doing it after the if, but that's fine.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Okay, let's try this now.
Okay, yeah. Let me. Because this state, as a result of handle input, is used somewhere, right?
Yes, we do set f's on a state on the result of the handle input function.
Oh, okay. This actually can like.
Okay, okay,
Okay, so music's playing and everything's fine, and then I. Yeah, and it stopped now.
okay. Haha.
Yeah, and now I press it again, and it started.
Okay, okay. So it is definitely not the best way to do it because we are not using the define track macro and whatever that Kendra is using, and we don't understand how that's not working because of the
Yeah, I mean,
segment and the voice crap thing.
yeah, well, yeah. So it's it's definitely not the but I mean this part at least is quite easy to ask. Like
Mm-hmm.
here, this is what is said in the in the guide, and it doesn't work at all, but it works with the path. And we looked at the source, and it doesn't look like that at all.
Yeah.
I mean, uh, this here says that each asset generates only one voice instance.
Yeah, but that's we tested that this is not true.
Yeah, and this is not a voice.
Yeah.
Like this sound thing is not a voice. And if I knew how to use Git better, I could check if at some point it was.
Yeah, you want to do an intersect. That's what we want. You want.
Okay.
But I agree that we can ask, like, you can ask your proxy friend to do that for
Mm-hmm.
us. But for now, let's do the following. Go to Emacs, go where
Mm-hmm.
the music path definition is done, and let's put
Mm-hmm.
a to do on top of that.
Mm-hmm. No, wait.
We should
Mm,
put here, by the way, the music path.
yeah,
Go to
yeah. And where
setup.
it was?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
grab that, the define global thing, and go
Mm-hmm.
to assets and paste it in here, and let's add a to do on top of it. That we need to do this properly, to remember us to do this properly.
Let's actually even do a fix me.
Yeah.
Mm, learn how to properly interact with well, with harmony.
Yeah. From line 8 to line 29, you can comment it out for now.
Yeah. Okay, so
Until this, yeah, until here.
wait. My slide is a little bit broken, so it
And that's
gives me
it.
wrong. Yeah.
Okay, now you go to main.lisp,
Hmm.
and not in here. Remove the folder there, yeah. Remove the to-do, add music to the game,
Yeah.
and that's it. So now you can commit.
Yeah.
And now
Okay.
the
So
only thing that we need to do is to do drawing and stuff. Add the untracked files as well, my man. No, 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 no.
wait.
Control G. I don't know how to go back. Control G maybe.
No, wait. I just can't like do this.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
SS.
check
Yeah,
files. All
yeah.
right. Right. So stage this and stage this and then commit.
Yes.
And this is like
Add music.
add music. Okay. So
So
now I
now,
can click
now
uh,
the how can I say? Now the next step is basically drawing stuff. I'm gonna draw a few things. Like I'm gonna try to think on a logo for it.
mhm.
I added an asset in the data folder that is a font that is like a Tetris font that I found and it's
Yeah, yeah,
very
I
cool.
saw that. And I saw that also this like the site that builds words out of Tetris pieces.
Yeah,
That's the
that's
link.
cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
I found that by accident,
Mm-hmm.
completely by accident.
I'm not sure what to do with this. Like, do you want to put this like a picture of that somewhere or something?
Just for you to know, Commander, the Emacs is waiting for you your username stuff and probably password.
Yeah, yes. So I don't want to show it, so
Oh,
I'll
okay. No,
do
no,
the
no. I
picture.
just wanted to point it out that you didn't push
Mm-hmm.
yet. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to do it right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the next steps are the following. I'm gonna draw a logo. I'm gonna draw like a picture with the controls, and then we need to discover how to put pictures in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna draw a little thing for to have the next piece and like the saved piece on the right, and stuff like that. And then we're gonna draw all of that. And then we also need to discover how to put text on the screen because we need to draw this. We need to put the score and the level as well.
Mm-hmm.
And that's pretty much
And
it.
I mean, I'm gonna be a little bit busy tomorrow, at least in the morning and during the day. But after that, since this part is like really, I feel angry,
Yeah.
because this is such bullshit. I'm gonna ask my friend like as soon as possible, as soon as
Okay.
I get home,
Okay, but I think
and
we
we
are.
maybe we could do it properly somehow, or maybe maybe he changes this thing and then we learn that there is no way currently to do it like this,
Mm-hmm.
that this section is outdated or something, and it's okay because it's not like we're spamming sounds, right? We just play one track.
Yeah. But in the future, like after this milestone is reached, we want to add a menu, and I want the menu to be able to swap the music. You see?
Yeah, but it's still like we can still do it like right now because
Yeah, yeah,
we
yeah.
just
But I wanted to know if there is a proper way to do it, right? A more proper way to do it.
like this whole thing, the the start and the stop, we can just pass in different paths and save it in the slot.
Sure, no,
and
no, you can't. We can do
therefore,
that. But I think you
yeah.
would agree with me that you have a feeling that this is not the proper way to do it.
Mm, it's a little bit hacky, and I mean, like the only reason, by the way, the only reason why I think it's improper and hacky is because this section exists. If it didn't exist, I wouldn't be bothered at all. But I mean, he wrote it for some reason, right? So, like, it's not like he's supposed to know what his stuff does, and it doesn't work at all. It's not even close. So, yeah.
Yeah, I see what you mean. I see what you mean.
Like I thought that maybe integration system was meant to be like a separate GitHub repo.
I also thought
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, but it's not. So
Okay, but after you commit,
hmm
we have music. I'm gonna try to talk to Rush because I am one of his patrons.
okay,
I'm gonna ask permission, like proper permission, and maybe he even shares like a FLAC file or whatever.
what is that?
The FLAC file is like the high quality audio files
Oh,
format.
okay. Mm, can this thing even play a FLAC?
Yes, it does. There is a. Oh man, that's doing when you were just reading the source code of Try or Harmony. There was
hmm
a list of extensions that it supports,
Okay,
and the
so
FLAC was
somewhere.
there.
Okay,
But this was while you were reading, like going through code in Emacs, and I saw like OGG, OGA, FLAC.
okay, okay.
So FLAC is available apparently.
hmm
Hey, what's up? How are you doing? Somebody asks. We are doing okay. We just finished a 3 hour long journey to add music to our Tetris game.
Well, we
And
also did a little bit of a cleanup, so
oh
it
yeah,
was
in the
like
beginning
two
we
and a
did a
half hour.
refactoring as well. Yeah. Yeah, but I would say that like that was the first third of it,
hmm
and even less actually because we already are on the 3 hour mark. So we didn't do 1 hour of refactoring. It was like 30 minutes.
Yeah, 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 yeah. It was like two and a half hours of adding the music.
By the way, I am ASIO AI developer. You want any help? So let me know. Okay, thank you.
Oh wait, what's the name of this person?
Scarlett Carter.
Okay, well, I don't know them, but
Yeah, I
that's
see.
okay.
That's okay.
Well, in that in that case, if you Scarlett, if you know how to use the trial engine, and specifically in our case, how to use the what's it called, like the trial engine, like as well as Harmony library together. This is what we need because we kind of hacked it somehow. Well, we did the thing
I
which
know how
is
to use. That's
okay.
what is in the chat.
hmm, it's kind of hard to communicate like this, when I don't even see the chat, and so I have to talk to like emptiness, and then you tell me what they say.
You can
Not
well, we have two options. Scarlett can join the server that is on the Twitch on Twitch. I don't know the about page at the bottom. There is a link to the Discord server there, and there's also you can open the chat in your browser, Commander.
Yeah, I can, but still, I know how it is when I try to talk to a streamer when I'm in chat, and it's really inconvenient. So, and I
Yeah.
mean, I have like specific questions about this. I have specific questions about this, basically about the trial, like what's it called, like the guide of a trial here, about this section about audio output with harmony, and it says here that you can like you can create assets with trial that contain sound and then play them with harmony, but we did a study and we read a lot of source code and we found out that this is not the case at all. You
Yeah.
cannot play trial assets with harmony. It doesn't handle it. these libraries are completely independent.
Yeah.
So, and there is no like compatibility library between them.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So Scarlett says that I will tell you and I can help you about this. So I think it would be better if you can just join the server and like
yeah. Join the
it's
server, and then we can ask you like how to do it, because probably on stream it will take a long time. It's
yeah.
a small server with like several, well, several different people, mostly developers, and some of us are like working on some projects, and
Okay,
that's it.
so I think that's not gonna work out because the last comment is I can make it for you, but I will charge for my work.
Ah, right, right. I see. No, I mean we're not trying to make a game to sell it.
Yeah, we're not. This is not like a thing that we're gonna sell it for people. We are
Yeah,
making
we're
it
just
to learn about Common-Lisp and how to make a game. That's the kind of the goal.
yeah. So we're not
And given how
we're not.
much time this is taking, we are definitely not doing it for the money.
Yeah.
So, well, I
Wait.
guess I will
Maybe.
appreciate your offer. We're not gonna do it
Yeah.
then. Anyway, I think this is the end, Commander. What
Hmm.
do you think?
Yeah. I also think it's
Okay, so
like.
next session that you said you are busy tomorrow. Maybe you can do it during the week if you have the time. I don't know. It's up to you.
Oh, I mean, I might be like free like tomorrow, in the
Mm-hmm.
evening, which is what we need.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure if you're ready to do session tomorrow, and also I will not learn anything like new tomorrow.
No, 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 no. But that's the thing. If we establish that the next session will be tomorrow, today I will draw all the stuff on the iPad, and then
Oh, right. We can, yeah. So let me quickly check this.
we need to learn how to put images on the screen and how to put buttons on the screen
Yeah. So this
and text
go.
as well.
Yeah. So all of the three, I think, goes. Let's see. I wanna like show the part of this. Resources. No, not this. I think. Oh, extend. I think it's like. Yeah, user interface is there. So yeah. So alloy is used for
Alloy is
extend.
another library of this guy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And again, it says that there is an integration system trial alloy, which I don't trust as much now that we know how this can turn out. But at least there is a little bit more here, a little bit more
Yeah,
code and examples. And this whole like this thing is also what is used to create a menu.
I see.
So this is why I said that maybe menu is not that far. Like if we learn how to use it like primitive things, we might be able to just kind of come up with a menu like as an immediate next step.
Yeah, 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 but that's exactly what you said. That's an immediate next step. I think first, just at least intuitively should be easier to just add an image. I want to add an image.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is okay. I mean, images we kind of already um, we kind of already know. Like, not really. Okay, we don't know how to do images. We know how to do like tiles, but images should be
Should be
easier.
very not far from it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I mean this I also can ask, and I will, but I will not get the answer tomorrow.
No, that's fine. That's fine. If we don't manage to get anything like tomorrow, if you have the time and the energy, we can try to do like a exploration type of thing, trying to read this and see if it works. And if it
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
doesn't, we try to see what we can do about it and stuff like that. Or you can ask and we can just wait until we have the answer.
yeah.
For me, both are fine.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. I will like I can write down a question for my friend like right after this stream, but he won't read it because he's asleep already. And tomorrow he might ask at some point, but then it's weekend, so I don't know if the author will answer. And.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you, Commander. I think I'm gonna finish
Mm-hmm.
the recording now. So bye.
Okay, yeah, do it.